Magandang araw ulit sa lahat at nag-prepare ulit ako ng 5 items na solve natin. These 5 items are perennial items in the licensure examination for teachers, pati na rin sa civil service examinations. And if you're planning to take college entrance examination, ay magagamit nyo rin po ang mga questions na ito dahil halos pareho po ang mga questions na makikita niyo dito sa mga mathematics questions sa college entrance examinations. So, let's go and let's start with item number 16. Item number 16, what is the slope of the line 3x minus y is equal to 11? Is it A, negative 1/3, B, 1/3, C, negative 3, or letter D, 3? Again, what is the slope of the line 3x minus y is equal to 11? Is it A, negative 1/3, B, 1/3, C, negative 3, or D, 3? Okay. Meron po tayo ditong formula ng slope-intercept form. Bale, marami po itong formula ng slope. Pero pag binigyan po kayo ng equation na tulad nito, ito po ay in the form a slope-intercept form. So, ang standard form po ng slope-intercept form ay nakikita niyo po sa screen. Yan po ay ang y is equal to mx plus b. Where m, ito po yung slope natin, yung m. Ito yung slope of the line. Ang y is the intercept of the line. Ito po. So, ang y-intercept, ito po yung value kapag x is equal to 0. Kapag pinultiply mo 0 dito, so magiging 0 ang mx, so ang b na lang po y is equal to b. Yan po ang value ng y if x is equal to 0. So, kapag binigyan kayo ng question na ganito, the only thing that you will do, the next thing that you will do is just to rewrite it into the standard form of the slope-intercept form. So, here you have 3x minus y is equal to 11. If you are adept with mathematics, dito pala makikita mo na kung ano ang slope ng line. Pero kapag hindi po, subukan po ninyong gawin itong slope-intercept form. So, how do you do that? Dito po ay ililipat natin ang y sa kabila. So, to do that, we have to add y here. We have to add also y here. Ngayon, the slope-intercept form, isa lang po ang variable na y sa isang side ng equation. Ganun din ang gagawin natin dito. So, we will minus 11 here. And we will minus 11 here. So, dito, may eliminate nyo po yung y, may eliminate rin po ang 11 dito. So what you will have is 3x minus 11 is equal to y. Ngayon, halos pareho na po or i-rewrite nyo na kung gusto nyo pa. So balik ta rin lang, y is equal to 3x minus 11. So voila, you have it in the standard form of the slope-intercept form. Okay, so dito, ang m is the numerical coefficient of x. So dito, ang slope ng ating linya ay ang numerical coefficient din ng x, which is 3. The correct answer for this question is letter D. Okay? Napakadali. So next, we have item number 17. Item number 17. In a right triangle, cosine theta is equal to 3 over 5. What is the value of tangent theta? Is it A, 4/5, B, 7/5, C, 3/4, or letter D, 4/3? Atin pong tatandaan kapag we are faced with a trigonometry problem, atin pong tatandaan ang sukatowa dito pa lang po sa mnemonic na ito ay buhay na po tayo sa trigonometry. Ang so, ito po yung formula ng sine. Sine is equal, sine of A, so for example, binigyan kayo ng triangle na to, ito yung A, hanapin ninyo yung sine. So, sine of A is equal to opposite of A, which is here, A, opposite, which is A, and hypotenuse, the longest side. So, ang C. So, ito po yung sine, opposite over hypotenuse, kaya nga po so sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So, ito yung so. Kapag, yan po, Kapag binigyan naman kayo ng question na find cosine, alalahanin lang ninyo ang ka. So, cosine is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse din. Kaya, this is ka. At kapag pinapahanap naman ang tangent is equal to opposite over adjacent. Kaya po siya TOA. Kaya po, so, ka, TOA. Next. So, kapag andito yung angle mo, yung angle A, ang kaharap niya po yan is always the opposite. Tulad dito, andito ka sa letter A, So, ang opposite side niyan, yes, yan ang palagi ang letter A. At ang line na tinatapakan yan, ang side na tinatapakan, yan yung inyong adjacent, which is letter B here. At ang the longest line naman, the longest line in a triangle is always your hypotenuse. Here, it is C. Okay. Now, you are given here a problem that the right triangle is cosine theta is equal to 3 over 5. Ngayon, ang gagawin ninyo, gawin ng triangle dito. Ano ba triangle yan? Okay. So, say for example, this is theta. This is the opposite. This is A, opposite. This is adjacent. This is hypotenuse. Sabi dito, ang cosine theta daw is 3 over 5. Ano ba ang cosine theta? So, ka adjacent over hypotenuse. So, ang adjacent na ibig sabihin, ang adjacent nito ay 3 over, at ang 5 naman is the hypotenuse. Kasi ka adjacent over hypotenuse. So, 3, 5. So, this is 3 over 5. Adjacent is 3 and hypotenuse is 5. By this leg alone, kapag familiar kayo sa Pythagorean triples, malalaman nyo na ang opposite side is equal to 4. Pero kung hindi kayo familiar sa Pythagorean triples, you will solve this problem using the Pythagorean theorem. So, how do we solve this problem using the Pythagorean theorem? Ano nga pa ulit ang Pythagorean theorem? Ang Pythagorean theorem states that c squared, the longest side, is equal to the sum of the square of the two sides. Okay, so ganyan. So, ano ba ang hypotenuse natin? Ang hypotenuse natin is 5 square is equal to a square. Kunyari, ang A square ay ang opposite. So, then, ilagay natin siya. Plus B squared. Ano ba ang B natin? 3 squared. So, here you have 25 is equal to a squared plus 9. To isolate a squared, mag-minus 9 tayo dito. Mag-minus 9 din tayo dito. So, you will have your 25 minus 9 is 16 is equal to a squared. Okay, 16 is equal to a squared. Ngayon, to get the value of a, we just take the square root of 16. And the square root of 16 is equal to 4. So, 4 po ang ating opposite side. Okay. Now, let's continue solving dahil hindi pa po yan ang answer natin. Ano daw po ang tangent? So, alam na natin na ang kanina na ang opposite, ang adjacent is or B is equal to 3 at ang hypotenuse or C is equal to 5. Ito po yung opposite. Okay. Ngayon, anong pinapahanap sa atin? Ang pinapahanap sa atin ay tangent theta. Ano nga ba ulit ang formula ng tangent theta? In SOHCAHTOA, that is TOA. So that is tangent is equal to opposite over adjacent. O kung sa letters naman, ito ay A over B. So, here, you already have what you need to do is just to substitute. Ano ba ang A natin? Ang A natin is 4 at ang B natin is 3. So, you have 4/3 as your final answer which is letter D. Pakadali po kapag memorize mo ang SOHCAHTOA at napakaling tulong po nito kapag ikaw ay magsusuot ng mga trigonometric questions sa sa licensure examination or sa civil service examination. Next, we proceed to item number 18. Item number 18. One angle of a parallelogram is 35 degrees. So what are the measures of the three other angles? Is it A, 145, 35, 145, B, 35, 65, 65, letter C, 85, 135, 140, or letter D, 45, 65, and 170. Now, before we proceed in solving item number 18, let's first recall the adjacent angles of a parallelogram. Ano ba ang mga properties ng parallelogram? Ang sabi dito, adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. Pero alin ba dito ang adjacent? Ang adjacent dito ay itong A is adjacent to B at ang A din is adjacent to B. So ito po, ang 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 angle A and B are supplementary. Angle A and D are also supplementary. Angle B and C are also supplementary, and angle B and C is supplementary. Ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng supplementary angles? Supplementary, ang sum ng two angles na ito ay 180. In contrast, ang complementary, ang sum ng pair of angles na ito, dalawang angles, is equal to 90 degrees. Okay? So, sinasabi niya dito na ang adjacent angle daw, ang sum niya ay 180. So, dito makikita nyo, A plus B is equal to 180, B plus C is also equal to 180, and then C plus D is also 180, and D plus A is also 180. Okay? So, ganyan. At isa pang property ng parallelogram na dapat ninyong tandaan, sa parallelogram, ang magkakaharap na angles, ang opposite na angles, are always equal. So, ito is equal to this one, is equal to, ang A is equal to C, at saka ang B is equal to B. Okay? So, let's proceed to solving number 18. So, halimbawa, ito na yung parallelogram mo at ang given dito, sabi ang one of the angles is 35. So, let's say na 135, itong angle na to. Ngayon, ang sabi natin kanina, ang adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. So, bale, ang kapag inad mo itong isang angle na to, say for example, x, dito sa 135, dapat ang sagot is 180. So, that's 35 plus x is equal to 180. Ngayon, para makuha mo ang value ng x, mag-subtract ka ng 35 dito. Mag-subtract ka rin ng 35 dito. So, cancel mo to. X will be equal to 5 and 7 minus 3 is 4. So, 145 ang value ng isang angle. So, this is 145. Ang x is equal to 145. At dahil kailangan adjacent din siya dito, say for example, this is C, at ang ito ay equal nito, ito ay automatic 35 at ito ay automatic 145. So, with that, you can already see that the correct answer is letter A, 145, 35, and 145. Let's proceed to item number 19. Item number 19. What is the slope of the line passing through 2, 5, and negative 3, 9? Is it A, 4/5, B, 5/4, C, negative 4/5, or letter D, negative 5/4. Okay. So, ito yung solve na slope formula or ito yung um, point slope form. Kanina, diniscuss natin ang slope intercept. Ito naman ang point slope. You are given here 2 points and a slope. Okay. So, dito, ang pinapahanap natin sa atin ay slope. Binigyan tayo ng dalawang point. So, we will use this formula. Pero, bago mo gawin ito, na makakatulong kapag tinandaan mo muna tatandaan mo muna kung alin yung x sub 1, alin yung y sub 1, alin ang x sub 2, alin yung y sub 2. So, ganito ang gagawin nyo. Tandaan nyo palagi. Sulatan x sub 1, x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2 para hindi po kayo malito. So, using the formula you have here, slope or the m is equal to the change in y, which is y2 minus y1, over the change in x, which is x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Napakadali. Pag-substitute ka na lang. Ano ba ang y sub 2? Y sub 2 mo is 9 minus y sub 1 mo na 5 Tapos ang x sub 2 mo is negative 3 minus x sub 1 na 2. So this will be equal to 9 minus 5 is 4 and negative 3 minus 2 is negative 5. Okay, so you have 4 over negative 5 or you can simply write this as negative 4 over 5. So ang correct answer is letter C. Okay, so let's proceed to item number 20. Item number 20. Five consecutive even numbers have sum of 120. What is the sum of the second and the fifth even numbers? Is it A, 46, B, 48, C, 50, or letter D, 52? In solving this, hindi mo pa alam kasi yung ano yung unang even numbers. So, let's say na x ang first even number mo. First even number. Okay? So, for you to find the second even number, kasi sabi niya even to, maglalagay ka to ng x dito, pero mag-add ka ng 2 para even ito, para even number siya. Okay? Dahil ang x ang first even mo, ano ba ang difference ng mga even numbers? So, halimbawa, ang unang even is 2. So, ang pangalawa is 2 plus 4. So, that's x plus 2. Okay? This is second. Ano yung third? So, ang third ay x plus 4. Ito yung third. X plus 6. Ito yung fourth. And x plus 8. Ito yung fifth even number. Okay? So, napakadali. Ano, madali talaga ang math. Huwag lang kayo kasi kayong magpauna sa gulat. Na kapag nakakita ng numbers at saka variables ay nanginginig na. Hindi mo dapat ganyan ang mindset. Dapat titigan siya ng tiger look at sabihin kayang-kaya. Okay? So, let's proceed. So, ang sabi dito, ang sum daw ay 120. So, ibig sabihin, i-add mo ito lahat. So, you have, okay, magmura muna tayo para masulatan tayo dahil alam naman natin na ang, ang representation ng mga even numbers. So, ang gagawin natin, ipag-add natin yun. Ano bang una? X, that's the first one, plus x sub plus 2, second one, plus x sub 4, x plus 4, that's the third one, plus x plus 6, that's the fourth one, plus x plus 8 is equal to 120. Ngayon, in order for you to continue solving, you have to add the like terms. This is x, 1x, this is 2x, kasi plus na po yan, magiging ganito po yan, x plus 2, plus x plus 4, plus x plus 6, plus x plus 8 is equal to 120. Okay? Ngayon, i-add mo ang x na to. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, you have 5x. Tapos, i-add mo rin itong mga numbers na to. You have here 2, 6, 12, 20. Plus 20. Ayan, napulan na tuloy. So, plus 20. Tama ba? 8 plus 2 is 10. 6 plus 4 is 20. Is equal to 120. And you subtract 20 here. You subtract also 20. Okay? So, meron tayong 5x is equal to 100. Okay? So, to totally isolate x, divide mo lang ang both sides by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 5x divided by 5 is x. Then, makakancel ang 5. Tapos, ang 100 divided by 5 is 20. So, hindi pa po ito ang sagot dahil ang sabi natin, first pa lang na even number yan. Pero ang hinahanap po sa atin, ano yung sum ng first and fifth even number. So, ano sabi natin kanina? Alin yung second dito? Ang second is x plus 2. So, x 20 plus 2 is equal to 22. At ang isa naman ay fifth even number. So, alin ba yung fifth? Ito, x plus 8. So, 20 plus 8 is equal to 28. Ngayon, ano hinahanap? Ang sum. So, you add 22 and 28 and you will get 50. So, 50 is the correct answer, which is letter C. So, ganyan po kadali ang pagsusolve ng math. Basta po importante, alam niyo kung ano ang given, alam din niyo kung ano ang hinahanap sa question. At mas nakakatulong pag nag-underline ka, nag-i-insert ka para po hindi kayo malito kung ano nga ba talaga ang hinahanap sa question. So, until dito na lamang po at till next video po tayo. Maraming salamat sa panonood.